Why try and play with like no gun?
Should have got 2 pairs of gloves.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
You boys keep these ones.
The sound effects.
Or they already feel wet.
Bro smuggling in here.
Oh, that doesn't sound healthy.
Look at Davies now. Can't detect the gay. That's pretty good, isn't it?
What, 3 little valve thing, yeah? Alright, look.
Don't give me a 3 man.
Good man walking!
You've got a massive range.
Go. They're going that way. Let's go that way. Follow him. Jordan, he knows what he's doing.
I've got the clue, mate. Game mode is.
Well, I think we're supposed to be getting some skeleton from over here and putting him in a coffin. At the back, yeah. force round this way, guys. I won't let it go right. Barricade straight through on your right. Good. Is it? Oh dear. Two with that. Guys, that bush line far left heavy as well, beyond the marsh.
Sniping on here, really. But it's easy to go that side.
Still one behind that marsh and straight away through as well. The bush is 20 metres back diagonally, 2 o'clock round the corner. Sitting up near Catton. Yeah, on your angle there, right. Yeah, you're on him, right. Yeah. Going loud.
Back in.
Fucking rain, can't see shit.
Hey, good shot!
Right on this side, bud. Buddy, right round that corner. He's about 2 foot round the corner. Nice, mate. Put some rounds down there. We just lost a man there. Nice. Keep it up. Moving up with you, moving up with you. What the fuck are we meant to be doing?
Gone past the case.
Case on the move! Guns up! Round that next corner, mate! On the side of the hut, Jordan! Coming round!
Top of the coffin!
Come on, runner! Flanking hard right behind you, Jordan. I'm taking round here. Someone's hitting this tree. That rain. Yep. I am wet as fuck. We should go to mine and get hammered, mate.
It's on my mind, Pete.
Well, call it when you like. It's open. Coffin's behind me! We got a dead player behind that side, yep.
You lace it.
Game on, game on, game on!
Hey, sorry, my bad.
What's that?
Your strap's undone. Dead man!
Players advancing on this position. Spread out.
You seen something, Mark? Yes. Straight through. 50 metres moving. He's darting to the right. He's running backwards. Moving up. Yeah, we got one or two over here, Tom. Yep, incoming. Not far, 20 metres. Cheers, dude. Nice, whoever that was. Yeah, run up, run up. Running back. Moving up. He's dropped back. Anyone got sight? You got any few there, Tom? Moving up. Hit! Dead man!